Welcome back to Fierce Outlook, guys. Today we're doing a little review of this Pagani Zonda R. It was new for 2022, number 215 out of 250. Hot Wheel Exotics, 7 out of 10. So, but before I get to this, let's go back to this. I like Pagani's actually, well, this might be the last of the edition of Pagani Huayra Roadster. This is the 2022 edition. As you see, 10-spoke wheel, pearl white color. Also has the, you could say, tricolor. It has a little golden stitch in here with a black stripe going all the way across. Versus this is the 2017 when it first came out. The regular coupe came out a lot earlier, so they've been trading off and on, either roadster coupe selling. But this is a 2023 edition. And there's a couple more coming out. One is going to be Zamak color, or basically stainless steel, which is Walmart only. And then the other one, the reason why I brought this is 2017. They're going to have another pearl dark blue color, just like this, with only the stitches going, same as this colors, the stripes. It's going to go all the way across. So if you want to collect the pearl white and the one that is going to be the last, maybe final edition, who knows. But the reason why I'm saying final is because they came up with the Zonda R for 22. And since the production ending in reality for Pagani Huayras, Pagani Utopia is coming out next. So be ready for Hot Wheels, maybe for that. But nevertheless, let's come back for this. This was designed by Sony Fisher. So this is the actual first one. There's also another white color came out, but this is the very first one that actually came out for 2022. Pagani Zonda type parts, there's only 15 of them that were built in reality for track only. On June 30th in 2010, they actually beat the record going 233 miles, 0 to 60 for 2.8 seconds. So the color of this is Hero Osadiana. Sorry, it's kind of weird kind of name on it. So, as you know, the original designer of the Paganis is Horatio Pagani. Pagani, who designed one of the Countach, Lamborghini Countach. He used to work for Lamborghinis. So the Paganis came out, started its life back in 2000, in 1999 up until 2019. So yeah, they came out in 1999 to 2019. Even when Pagani Huayras were built during that production, there were still some orders. There were some orders for Pagani Huayras. Sorry, I just had to sneeze for a second. That's why I paused it. Nevertheless, for the Pagani Zonda R, they only came out in 2009 up until 2011. And like I said, only 15 were built. Racetrack only. So as you see, it says Zonda R, pretty nice old gold 10-spoke wheels. You could see Italian flag, green, white, and red. Nice go line all the way across. Pagani logo. And they kept their original Pagani logo right here on the hood scoop, just like in Pagani Huayra. See that? So Utopia is going to look more like Pagani Huayra with just some modifications. But nevertheless, this is what it is. Pretty nice little details for the racetrack. I like it. So there you go. I got collection for my Paganis. Once we got Utopia, I'll pick up Utopia also. and do a little review for that. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.